Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with a Huawei Band 10, and on this video we are going to provide some tips and tricks for your Huawei Band 10. Get the most out of your fitness tracker with these useful features for your Band 10. If you want to learn more about your fitness tracker, watch this video, and again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and explore some of the cool features, especially on personalization option for your Huawei Band 10. So let's go first with our dual time zone. So this watch face has an option to have a dual time zone feature. Just long press, go to the settings here, then so this one you can change this to an analog clock. Okay, tap on it and select dual time zone. For example, we want this country to appear here, the time of this country. Okay, let's pick Dubai. Okay, so let's have Dubai. Select, and we have here the time in Dubai. Okay, if you don't like this watch face, you can also download an additional watch face here in the Huawei Health application. Just search dual time, and we have here a list of watch faces with the option for dual time. For example, we have here this one. Let's select it. Check on the description. As you can see here, we have the option for dual time. Okay, so middle, date, unread message, time, dual time zone, city time zone, and time. Okay, so this is the dual time zone. So we have a digital time zone aside from the time zone where you are located. Okay, so very good feature for our Huawei Band 10. Okay, so the next feature is the data icon or the shortcut icon on the watch face. So we have here some shortcut icon. Okay, but we will pick a different watch face. So let's select this one. We have at least 3 here. We have the sleep. Okay, we have the calendar, and we have the music control. Okay, so you can change this by just going to the settings of your watch face. Tap on the settings here. For example, let's change this to heart rate. Okay, let's pick heart rate. Then this one, blood oxygen monitoring, SpO2. Then just press the power button, and we have the data here. Shortcut to your heart rate, and a shortcut to your blood oxygen monitoring. A very good feature for your Huawei Band 10. Okay, so another one for personalization is the widgets. So this one you can change the contents here, as well as the sports here. Just long press, then tap on custom, then change the icon here. So let's select stress value. How about this one? Change it to sleep duration. Then a shortcut to the pulse wave arrhythmia analysis, and the other one, let's have this one. Okay, then press the power button. Okay, very good so far. Then next, this one you can also edit this, custom, change it to other sports. Okay, let's pick this one, then go back, indoor walk. Then select. To activate, just press the power button. And we have here our favorite sports on the widgets. Okay. So again, very good feature for personalization option for the HUAWEI Band 10. So we already have the dual time zone. We have the shortcut icon on the watch face, and we have the widgets here. We have at least 3 personalization option. That is a very cool feature for our HUAWEI Band 10. Next, let's have the flashlight. Okay, so for the flashlight, it's not just showing a white background, but there's also an option here if you swipe up. Okay, you can change the color here. So there's a lot of color options here. For example, we'll pick this one. Then you can also change the behavior of the flashlight. Can make it slow, blink slowly. Guess this is very useful if you want to alert someone. You can make it fast. Okay, usually this is for emergency or something. And you can also reset. Okay, going back to the white, brighter color. Very good option for the flashlight feature of the HUAWEI Band 10. Most of the wearable do have this feature, but you can only set it to white color. Okay, with the HUAWEI Band 10, you have a lot of color options. So we have a color palette here. Okay, and can choose other colors here. Okay, next, let's have the password or the pin code. So for the pin code, it is sort of a security feature for your HUAWEI Band 10. You can set at least 6 pin for your wearable. So tap on set pin. Okay, you can create your own pin code, but ours here, this is just an example, so we will just use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pin set. Okay, so let's wait for it to activate, and we will try the pin code. Now that the pin code is activated, so let's access the HUAWEI Band 10. As you can see here, okay, we are prompted with a pin code. So for example, you made a mistake. 1, 2, it's not working. Okay, if you have, we have 2 chances now. We only have 2 chances. If we made a mistake, it will lock the HUAWEI Band 10 for 10 minutes. So let's try to put the right pin code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now, as you can see, we can now access the HUAWEI Band 10. To disable the pin code, just go back to the pin section, then disable pin. It will ask you to enter the pin code again, and of course, as you can see here, the pin is disabled. Okay, so that's it for the tips and tricks for our HUAWEI Band 10. We will provide additional tips for our HUAWEI Band 10 on our next video. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye!